function which can be used to sum up a number of variables. So in this example, I'm going to do a show a new column in a watch list. So ACC for accumulation, and then we can hit enter, and then inside the parentheses I'm just going to backspace. I want to add up volume over the last 8 days, for example. So accumulation, and then vol, hit enter, and then close parentheses, click on the ACC function for accumulation, and then this is where we can specify the look back. So instead of all time, I'm going to look back, I'm going to keep it to bars, and change that to 8. And when I click apply, that column is now going to add up volume over the last 8 days. Another example, I'm just going to switch tabs. This show view tool that I created called Money Flow, let's have a look at that formula, and it's a bit more advanced. So what I've done, I've created 3 variables, P1, P2 and P3, and with a couple of if statements. So if the price is up, so this is P2, if P1 is up, so closing price is positive, then we'll take P1, so the closing value, and multiply it by the volume for that day. And if it's not up, it's i.e. it's a down day, then it will be 0. Likewise with P3, if P1 is down, it then multiplies that day by the volume, and so we get a value for each day depending on whether the closing price is up or down. And the next 2 lines is where we use the accumulation function to add those values up. So money flow up is adding up all the values of P2, so on the positive days volume, I'm looking back 20 days, and similarly MF down is adding up all the volume on the down days. And then I've got a couple of output plots, MF up and in green and down in red, and when that's applied to the chart, we get those red and green lines, which reflect the volume going into the trading.